Hey there, everybody. It's July the 10th. I don't think I've been here in a little while, and I'll kind of catch you up on what's going on. The big thing that's going on is I have injured my hand, and I guess I did it when I was doing a lot of yard work. I was doing a lot of weed pulling. I was doing a lot of planting and ripping up old things and putting in new things. And I was also, at the same time that I was doing that, I was cutting out. I'll show you. I was cutting out these awesome buttons that I've been making. They are cardboard buttons. This is done in the Jennibellie style of cardboard buttons. So if you've never seen our video, I will leave it linked in the description box below. I was also making some Jennibellie style stamps. So I was cutting that styrofoam stuff that you see right there. There was nothing like really thick about what I was doing, but I guess it was just way too much. So I picked up my scissors one morning and my hand actually shook, and I could not grasp the scissors. So, it's okay. It'll be fine. I just need to kind of rest it. But resting it is it's just not an option. I've been very picky about the projects that I've worked on. I'm trying to get these finished up because these buttons are my Patreon thank yous for this month. So I'm really trying to get them finished and get them in the mail. As you can see, they're super cool because they they're just so rustic and cool looking. What I've got to do, y'all, is I need to go back and define the holes in each button. Just do a little bit of touch-ups to them before I get them in the mail to my patrons. I will leave my Patreon site in the description box below. I also have super thanks at the bottom of the video, and it says thanks, so you can leave me a tip. Thank you guys so much for the tips that you've left lately. I really do appreciate that. I have 1,300 videos on YouTube all about crafting and the art of crafting and making a living crafting and things like that. So if if you want to do some binge watching, then I would love for you to binge watch my channel. I am destashing, as you guys remember. It's not just like art supplies and stuff like that. I'm destashing our massive Star Trek collection. It is huge. I've got things listed on eBay. I've already sold some things, and that makes me really, really happy. And we'll just continue to work on that. I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes that I have up here so far. There's probably still another 9 downstairs. We've had our Star Trek collection. We started collecting in like 1995. Chris was on the road. I was working. We were in Columbia, South Carolina. So while he was on the road, he would pick up Star Trek. We're both into Star Trek, and he would pick up like the figures or micro machines or things like that. It became a hobby that we could actually kind of share while he was gone, and he was gone most of the time. I think like in 1997 he was home collectively for maybe 3 weeks. They toured really hard all the time. And so I'm doing that. I'll leave a couple Star Trek things like posted below, so you can kind of see the kind of things that we're selling over there at YouTube at eBay. I'm destashing clothing. I've had these items since 1995. I love these dresses, but it is time to let go. The story of these dresses is really sweet. I had a friend named Susan, and we worked at a theater together. She was from Europe, and she was very European. She had just an impeccable sense of style. I wore basically blue jeans and a t-shirt, and I've probably done that every day for my life except for the past couple years. And the past couple years, I have really liked to wear yoga pants. I just like yoga pants. But this dress is, I think I bought it when I was with her one day when we were out. It's velvet or velveteen. It is La Belle Fashions Inc., made in the USA, and I really love like this made in the USA label that is here. It's 90% polyester and 10% spandex. The dress is like one of those dry clean only, made in the USA. You can see it right there. It's a size small. It still fits, but like I said, I'm just not wearing things like this, and it's just really silly to hang on to it. I think it would, you could cut it up and make things out of it. You could use it, as as an altar cloth or something like that. Because it was black and gray, I thought that you guys might just be interested in it. It's really a very lovely dress with very sweet memories attached to it. The next little thing that I have, and basically I'm thinking of this as fabric, right? So I did have them listed on Poshmark, but they didn't really do anything. So I was going to donate them, and then I thought, the black fabric is just really beautiful. Maybe some of my ladies would like it. This is a shift dress, so let's take this and look at this. The maker is Seduction. It is small. It is 100% nylon. Really lovely. Sheath dress, not a shift dress. So you've got this gorgeous lace that overlays the nylon. What did I call it a while ago? Can't remember. The nylon shift that you have under it. I think that's a lot of lace and a lot of fabric that I could just really see you guys doing something with. The cool thing about this is that, let me get it straightened out. Again, one of the, and now actually Susan gave me this dress back in 1995, and I just, I felt so absolutely elegant wearing something like this. It didn't come from a thrift store, which a lot of stuff does come from a thrift store. Nothing wrong with that. I think that the stitching on this lace is gorgeous because you can see like these gold highlights here. Not golden, not gold thread, but it's just that the stitching is gold, and I just think it's exquisite. I'm gonna list these for like $5 each. I think that's a nice bit of vintage fabric for, for not a lot of cashola. This one I think is 4 ounces. I got my scale out, and this one's 6 ounces. We'll just say, no, we're gonna do $6 because I forgot about my Etsy fees, which are horrendous. They literally take 10% of whatever you have listed. So let's do $6, and then I'm thinking it'll probably cost, maybe around $5 to ship. So let's do that. I just couldn't get rid of them, and I do not want them in my closet anymore. And you guys are so crafty that I thought that you could probably use them for crafting. Do something with them. All right, guys. Sorry to ramble. It's time for me to go take some Motrin. I should be back, when my hand gets better. There's no cutting right now, my dear friends. No cutting at all. All right, see you soon. Take care of yourselves. Thank you for using the thanks button. I get 70% of whatever you tip me, and I'm just like, that's a great deal for me over here at YouTube. Thank you guys for hanging out. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.